Hello Dollies, how you doing? I've got a really bad cold and I'm feeling really rough, but because of that, it's good news for you because I can't do my work. I thought I'd start on this boy doll video and I'm so excited about it. So I've made the pattern for you ready to download. I'm so excited. He's going to be a rock star boy doll because one of my gorgeous fans, Dollies, said she wanted to make a boy band, so that's for you. Now before we turn, here he is anyway. Look, that's him there. That's the pattern. I wanted to draw your attention to this. Here's the head. You can see I've had lots of goes at getting that line. Doesn't matter how many times you do it, make sure that it's smooth, because the neck bit here and the face, if you get bumps in that, it looks really horrible. And once you turn it, there's not much you can do about that. So I've just had a right messy go at making sure that line is as smooth as possible. So make it as messy as possible. Remember the nips here, snips. And like life, it's not perfect. Messy is good, Dollies. So I can't wait to see you in the next video. We're gonna make this boy doll rock and let's make a whole band. Bye.